Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Pei Li, and I come from Taipei. Today I'm going to share our experience in organization a summer camp for senior high school students as a doctor. In 2011, Taiwan passed the Bill of Environmental Education. It comes from the direction of Taiwan Environmental Education that is developing teaching methods to cultivate people's better understanding and respect of the environmental, whether on the aspect of knowledge, skill, attitude, and value. Respect of its environment, whether on the aspect of knowledge, skill, attitude, and value. No? It's not. What is it? No? Our object of environmental education is denied. It depends. So,
it's not presentation yet.
the present.
Oh. ไม่ใช่เหรอ
I take my
Okay, you can
USB. Okay. Wait a moment.
The time is stop. Stop. อ่ะก็มันผิดเขาบอกมันไม่ใช่ Timekeeper, the time is stop. Yeah. ได้ขนาดนี้เลย
Okay, please welcome them once again.
The time is gone.
One more again. Pardon. Okay. I'm Pendy and I come from Taipei. So today I want going to share our appearance in organization the summer camp for senior high school students as animal doctor. Yeah, this one. In 2011, Taiwan passed the Bill of Environmental Education. It comes from the direction of Taiwan's environmental education. That is developing teaching methods to cultivate people's better understanding and respect of the environmental. Whether on the aspect of knowledge, skill, attitude, or value. By doing so, people are encouraged to take positive action to protect the environment. We Taipei as an important education center of environmental education. We organize all kinds of summer camp for students and adults. For example, we have had summer insect and zookeeper camp for elementary school students, and for scientist camp for junior high school students, and the animal doctor camp for senior high school students. Today I am going to share with you how we organized the animal doctor camp for senior high school students. The senior high school student in Taiwan is under pressure from their study. So Taipei will try to provide chance to they let the student know how what the best doing. And we start a collaboration with a high school student in 2011 to sign up the animal doctor camp. Each participant pay $580, and the whole activity takes 2.5 hours for students to enjoy the experience as animal doctor. This is in 2011. Today, animal doctor camp has been regularly held twice a year for senior high school students have the career option. So we provide the student two days course for 72 students to experience the world of animal doctor and the knowledge of wild animal preservation. So students will learn the world of animal doctor and the other related skills such as wound stitching, how to get a blood sample, and X-ray examination, and so on. The most important of all, the students are required to give a presentation on action for wild animal preservation. We opened the registration in every June and introduced the summer camp on Taipei homepage and the official YouTube channel and the Facebook fan page. The registration is always full very soon. I ever received the email from senior high school students who asking about information about the camp next year. So before the camp, our education department have a cooperation with our veterinary office to plan the course. And we train our co-worker to ensure the activity might go forward smoothly. Aside from that, I also sent out the notification to remind the schedule of the camp and etiquette for visiting the room. And every end of the day, we also have a get-together for discussing how the activity go and give feedback to each other for improvement. And this is about our students. Most of our students are from the north of Taiwan. And the female take up 67% of the students. And we also have the student from Hong Kong these 2 years. And most of our participants hear about the sign up for the camp due to recommendation for their parents and their family. We are amazed to discover from the feedback of the students that they get a much better understanding on the work of an animal doctor after they receive the course. From the feedback we receive, we know that students are satisfied with our course, teaching master, and on-site activity. We get a lot of positive feedback from students. They are the best encouragement for us to design the camp and the activity in the future. And from this camp, we would like to achieve the following teaching objects, and we think we made it, such as helping students to think about their career as an animal doctor or staff in the zoo. The camp is unique among the other similar ones. The camp helps students have a better understanding on wild animal preservation and so on. By learning from such interesting activity, students may understand the job we do in the zoo. Most important, by taking part in the action to help animals, students may have a strong awareness to protect environment and take action for wild animal preservation. Thank you for your patience.